Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I want to say I'm sorry I didn't have any videos up last week. It was like a vacation week. Every year my friends and I go over to Bend and we just rent a house and we have fun and we do the ale trail, and it's just a nice relaxing weekend. So it was awesome. Just needed a little relaxation. The video that went up on Sunday was actually pre-recorded. So anyway, enough of that. I am back. Thank you so much for letting me have a week off. I really appreciate it. Let's go ahead and get into this video, which is going to be my Soul Theory unboxing. So for those of you who don't know, I am an influencer for Soul Theory. Thank you very much to Soul Theory for partnering with me on this video. Basically, Soul Theory is a monthly subscription service. They do have a main focus, kind of, on sunglasses. The coolest thing about Soul Theory is that there are several different boxes you can choose from. In addition to that, there are also men's boxes. So there are sunglasses for men. You can get a men and women's pack, however you'd like. You can get just women's. Then they also have boxes that include sunglasses and an accessory, sunglasses and a beauty item, or they just came out. This is the very first beauty only box, which is the box that I have today, which we are going to which we're going to unbox and see what we got. Be sure to click on the link down below if you want to be able to get, Be sure and click on the link down below if you want to get your own Soul Theory box, and make sure that you enter in the code EM20M20 for 20% off your first box. Okay, let's go ahead and see what we have in our box. Okay, the first thing we have is this. This is from, Chaleur. I don't know how to say that. It is a thermal zyme heat-powered renewal mask for all skin types. And it's not tested on animals. It is paraben-free and fragrance-free. So this says this powerful age-proofing mask fights UVA, UVB, and infrared free radicals as it hydrates, energizes, and helps repair skin damage. Pretty cool. It says depress, pump, and spread gel liberally over clean face and all around eyes. Okay. After 15 to 20 minutes, remove with water or facial cloth. Use alone 2 to 3 times weekly, or apply under self-heating facial mask for best results. Especially effective as a post-sun treatment. So that's pretty cool. It looks very fancy. And it's like, I don't know how well you can tell, but this part is all like holographic. And then, okay, so it's one of these like pumps. Ooh, okay, so there it is. It's like one of these little pumps that you press down and then it comes out here, which I actually kind of like these pumps. And there's the actual product itself. Ooh, it's very thick. It has a scent. What is that scent? Verbena. It smells like verbena. My mom used to wear verbena all the time. It feels very nice. I'll have to use this and see how I like it, but I think this will be really nice in the summer or when I go to Hawaii to use this. So that's pretty cool. Oh, really quickly, I do want to say the box itself is, I believe, $16.99, and it is guaranteed to have, I think it's anywhere between 3 and 5 products, or 3 and 4 full-size products, and the value is going to be at least $75 or more. Fun fact. Okay, so I really enjoy that so far. I will have to see how it wears. Okay, what we have is from Sherry Cosmetics. It looks like it's a lip. It is in Chic Nude. And it doesn't really say what kind it is, if it's like a matte or a gloss. So here is what it looks like. Feels really nice, very lightweight. Ooh, I think it's like a matte formula because it's drying down already. It's really pretty. I don't know why I did it that way. You can see it there though. Really, really pretty. And then last but not least, we have a palette. This is the Nova by Crown palette. This is a Pro Travel Face palette. Okay, here it is out of its unicarton. Open it up and it says Bohemian Beauty right here. So you've got a mirror, and then here are the actual products. So here's the actual colors. It did come with this little guy like right in here. Okay, so speaking of, what is this thing that fell out? It looks, it's a pencil, obviously, but one side is black, and then is the other side brown? Maybe? Yep. Okay, that's kind of cool. So it's dual-sided, so this is black, this is brown, and then you can kind of see them here. This side, these smaller circle ones, these 2 rows are your eyeshadows, and then it looks like you've got some face products, like a highlighter, a bronzer, and then 2 blushes, and then you have your lip products over here. So that's pretty cool. It's like an all-in-one palette. Colors look really, really pretty. I'll have to try it. The only thing that worries me with full palettes like this is the pan sizes and getting your brush delicately in everything. That's the only thing I don't like about full products like this. However, I do think that it is very creative and it's nice and easy on the go. You can pop it in your travel bag, in your purse, in your gym bag, whatever. So everything that we got in the box, all 3 of these products have a total retail value of $146 that you are getting for $16.99, or if you enter my discount code, you can get 20% off of that. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this month's box. I'm excited to see what next month's box has in store. If you want to get your own box, I will leave the link down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I never have my box right. This today, whoa. There it goes. Okay, so here is it. It'll take that off. Oh, whoa. Okay. So thank you very much, Soul Theory, for partnering this month. All